Hello people, welcome. My name is Brunel. So this is the September edition of the unboxing of Curleebox, which is based in the UK, and it's all about curly hair and also afro hair and faux hair and so on. So yes, I have no idea what's in the box, so hopefully there are some goodies. At the end of the video I'll give the total of the product so you see for yourself if it's worth it or not. So let's get into the unboxing. Voila. So you've got the card, September Curly Box, it says, and then you've got a list of the items in here. So we are going to start by opening. Ooh, so exciting. What's in the box? Oh, now I've had this one before. I've had some of their products before. Right, this is the Quench Aunt Jackie's Quench Moisture Intense Leave-In Conditioner. So I've had a chance to use the products and these are great. And let's see if it gives me the total value of the items. I know it doesn't here, so I'm gonna have to do work myself, being lazy. So yeah, so Aunt Jackie's leave-in conditioner. After cleansing, use this leave-in conditioner as the base for styling. It is a great for slip and provides a long-lasting moisture. Remember, curlies, don't rinse this one out. So there you have it. That's the first item. Second item out of the box is this one. Woo! And this one is Jane Carter Coiling All Curls. Apply this gel to wet or damp hair to define curls and reduce shrinkage. It dries clean and shiny, leaving hair soft. Perfect for wash and go styling. So there you have it. Jane Carter solution. Love your hair, it says. Curls to go. Yes. Mist, well, it says mist me over. I guess that's meant as like a misting spray. But I'm presuming you have to shake it well first as well. But that's that one. And item number 3 is again from Jane Carter. And this is, oh, sorry, this was the Coiling All Curls. So that's the first one. So I got that one the wrong way around. Dear oh dear. This one, however, is the Mist Me Over. Mist Me Over is a style of refresher that can be used daily, restores moisture to the hair and scalp. We know water is key to moisturize curls. What's great is that it doesn't cause buildup or residue. So this is water, but clearly it has got other products in here by the color of it. It says here, intensely hydrates, strengthens and curls and adds shine. Wash and wear for super curly or coily hair. It's got shea butter and sage and rosemary in there as well. So it's not just water on its own. It's got some goodies in there to look after your hair and keep it shiny and curly, and your scalp and hair hydrated. Perfect. Actually, this is great. I love this. Actually, it's really nice. And last item, I believe it is. Ooh, this is a big one. This is heavy. This is big. Look at this. This is oh, As I Am coconut co-wash. Yes. And it says here, this light no suds conditioning cleanser gently removes the buildup, containing a blend of natural ingredients that promote healthy hair. There's quite a lot in here. 454 grams, or for you Americanos, 16 ounces. And it has a cleanse, cream, conditioner, and yeah, so it's got all the details there, but I'm not going to read them all. Castor oil, it's got in there, also coconut oil in there as well, tangerine, and so on. So yeah, so not bad at all. I'm going to smell it to see what it's like. What do you like? Lovely. So I like the smell of that. That is great. So yeah, those are all the products. I have no idea what the total value is, and doing editing I'll post it now. But these are all the items in the September edition of Curleebox. I've used this before, but never these ones, but actually they're very handy. I like the idea of these. Actually, I can see myself using all of these products, which makes me a very happy girl. And that's it, really. So thank you very much for watching. Let me know which ones you like, which products in here are great, and if there are any other in here which are not so great, do let me know if you've used these before, because I've only used but one type, and the others I've not at all, and I'm looking forward to the co-wash. So let me know which ones are good ones and which ones are not so good. Thank you for watching. As usual, don't forget to I'm tripping over my words. Thank you for watching as usual. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment as well, and I'll speak to you all very